I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these steps to make sure you don't get charged unexpectedly. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you use the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Manage subscription. In the account settings, look for the section labeled subscription or billing. Click on it to view current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel auto renewal. Find the option to cancel auto renewal. It may be labeled as cancel subscription or turn off auto renew. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Note, make sure to check the cancellation policy, as some subscriptions may require you to cancel a few days before the renewal date. Step 5. Confirmation of cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox to ensure that the cancellation has been processed. If you don't see it, double check your spam folder. I hope this helps you manage your Paramount Plus subscription easily. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.